Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how we can make some money from Bybit without trading cryptocurrency. So all you just need to do is to quickly subscribe to my channel if this is your first time coming across to it, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. All right, so let's quickly dive into that. All right. So the first thing you just need to do, as usual, make sure you go to the notification center here. Click on it to open. All right. If you click on it to open, you're going to see a notification that was sent to me personally. Okay, this was sent to me in order for me to participate, and I do believe it was sent to you as a Bybit user as well to participate. All right, this was sent today by 4:45 a.m. Okay, I'm going to click on it now to see what exactly is there. So you click on this GMT. If you're not mistaken, we have taken this GMT before, and I think if you participated, we all made a rational profit. So you're going to go into click on it. But on this today, the most fascinating thing about this today one is that you are going to earn over 150%. Okay, you're going to earn over 150%, and this place is showing me that it's even over 160% APR. Okay, that is, the percentage have been increased upon reaching the real app. So we're going to go into click on it. If you click on it, for some of us that have been like watching the previous video, I think we are highly conversant to these processes now. Okay, conversant with these processes now. So all you just need to do is to come to this place quickly to stake and start making a lot for yourself. But let's see, how much can you have for you to stake in this very place? For you to stake GMT, how much do you need to have? Okay, it is specified up here that you can stake GMT from 100 GMT to 1000. No, sorry, to 1 million GMT. Okay, you can stake from what? From 100 GMT to 1 million GMT. In between this, you can stake any amount that you like or that you have. All right, the estimated APR is going to be what? This is the estimated APR. The estimated APR is over 160%, as we said earlier. Your current staking, my current staking haven't showed yet because I haven't staked yet. But the moment you stake, your current staking will appear here. What about the remaining pool size? The remaining pool size is damn big. It's over 2 billion. The pool size left is over 2 billion. And your estimated, this is the pool size left. So you can participate very well. And the estimated daily yield will appear here the moment the yield begins. All right. When is this starting? This is starting today. So, which is why I'm dropping this video early so that you can quickly dive into that and start making some rational profit for yourself. Okay. What about the yield time? The yield time will begin still same today, 31 hour difference, which is by 7. Right? It will begin 1 hour different, which is by 7. It will begin by 7. What about the yield accuracy? What about the yield accuracy? The yield accuracy will begins in 2 hours time. What about the yield distribution? It will be on October 1st, which is next month, and which will be tomorrow. Okay, you're gonna come to this place and read these whole things. Okay, you read this very carefully and you click on I have read and agreed to the terms and to the terms of the Bybit terms of services. Okay, after doing that, you're going to click on this in order for you to just stake. Okay, you stake, and you're going to make a lot of profit for yourself. Okay, so don't forget, the more you stake, the more you will make. This is what happened here. You can make 20, you can even make above that, but the more you can make 10, you can make 5, you can make 3, but the more you stake, the more you will make. Okay,